Base is clear. Final looks clear. The wrong way looks clear.
Mall 114 holders here, radio check.
Crystal clear, 114.
Arkadelphia traffic, Mall 57 Hotel Sierra. Depart runway 22, going to be departing out to the southeast practice fields, Arkadelphia.
Toga power. 3 green. Air speed. Arkadelphia traffic, Mall 57 Hotel Sierra. Make a left turn out of the pattern to southeast Arkadelphia. Arkadelphia traffic, Mall 57 Hotel Sierra, 5 miles to the southeast, maneuvering at 3000, Arkadelphia. Alright. That was pretty staticky to me, wasn't it, you?
Yeah, a little bit. I think I'm going to turn this up on my headset just a little bit.
Alright, so, what do you say we want to do first?
We'll do lazy 8s.
Lazy 8s, okay. Alright, I'm going to turn back around here.
Okay.
Well, I'll do my clearing turns anyway.
Left and traffic, start Summit Tango, left crosswind, 1 arrested.
Might be a little bumpy today.
Whenever we're doing our lazy 8s, we also want to do, you know, a left one and finish it right into a right one, or we want to do a right one and finish it right into a left one.
Okay.
Kind of like our steep turns, so we do a left steep turn right into a right steep turn for commercial.
Yeah.
We're going to do the same thing using the same points as well. You know, so if you say, oh, okay, you know, here's my 45's that green field out there, my 90's this green field right here, my 135's those green fields back there.
Yeah.
You know, we'll go do it, and then after the first one, so using the same points, we'll go back to the left, you know?
Okay.
So we want to do one right into the other using the same points.
Okay.
Opposite traffic, Mall 114 holders here, final runway to Arkadelphia.
Okay, so we'll start to the left. Trash pile 45. This little crossroads, and then this little small light square field.
All right.
So here we go. .45. Slice them through. There's that small field. Continuing on.
Westfield traffic, Mooney 74764. Approximately.
Opposite traffic, Mall 114 holders
And how'd you like that?
That was pretty good. Let's go back to the right.
All right. So,
downwind for 25, Russellville.
little field. Crossroad with the buildings coming up over there.
Letting us fall through.
Trash pile. And pulling out.
What altitude did we start at?
About
3000. We lost some altitude there.
It's about 2950, so we lost about 75 foot.
Okay.
So part of the reason for that is at our max pitch up at our 45, we're not reaching our max pitch up. We're reaching maybe about right here is as high as we go. Then on our max pitch down, we're going all the way down to here, right? Yeah, about like that. It's a much bigger difference, right?
Yeah.
So on that, actually now we're getting a little bit close in. I gotta jump back this way.
Okay.
We'll just do 180.
I'm gonna climb back up anyway.
Sounds good. So on our, on that max pitch up, we can get higher with it. We can get a little bit higher on our max pitch up.
Okay.
And that'll keep us from undershooting the maneuver on the altitude.
Okay.
Solid, so traffic jump 1, approaching jump is 2 minutes out of 10,005. Solid, 2 minutes.
Alright. Try this again. Wait for some better landmarks here.
So we'll be entering a left downwind for 25.
Alright. Small housing area right there. 45. That other housing area. This pond back here.
Alright.
So, here we go. Power set.
Small 11400 Sierra, let's say runway 2000.
This is better.
Down. On. And level out.
We'll go back to the right.
Okay. On. Down. Other town.
Final runway 2000.
And we gained some altitude there. Holy crap.
Yeah, we did.
I did have
On the first one, we started at 3,150 and we exited at 3,050. There we started at 3,050, we ended up at 3,250.
Right now I am.
Okay,
So,
let's
yeah.
try this again.
So I think we need a little bit more consistent pitch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try this again.
Let's do one more set.
Alright, town. Use all those white buildings. Okay, gotcha.
Alright.
I got you in 80 feet. I'll be around. I see you 2 miles south on east wind heading. You're 2 miles south of the fuel.
Where do we start at?
What did we start at?
I don't
Good
remember.
thing to look at. Okay, we're starting here at 3,100.
3,100.
There's about
Alright,
45.
pond. Down. Down.
We didn't ever quite reach our max pitch down, right?
Yeah.
We're about 100 foot high.
Solid
I want to do something real quick.
Jump is waiting from the blue. Solid side.
Just as a guide. One other thing is, whenever we started off going this direction, we went to the left. We started the maneuver about right here at this pitch attitude.
Yeah.
And then we started rolling into it and everything, but that's not quite level, right? Level's right here.
Right.
Make sure we start out level. Charles at 22.
W traffic mall 11400 Sierra.
See if I need to trim it any.
Arkadelphia traffic RV
Not too
3515
bad.
Bravo going to park runway 22.
There's that RV.
To the north. Arkadelphia.
There's that RV taking off.
Oh.
Alright, so I'm going to go this smoke with 45. We got my field lines for my 90-degree point. I've got Arkadelphia as my 135. Alright, so I'm going to start off nice and gentle. Increasing pitch, increasing bank. Alright, I'm going to increase to my max pitch up at my 45. Here's my max pitch up.
Keeping it up there.
Yep, I'm going to let this thing come down nice and smooth. to the horizon at my 90. Nice and smooth. Here's Arkadelphia. That's my 135, right?
Yep.
I'm going to start shallowing out as I come on around, back up to my 180-degree point.
Okay.
Nice and smooth, right? It's a little bit rough today, just a little bit.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to let the plane fly, but really this plane should fly for us. Sewage ponds, field lines, brown fields. Slowly, nice and smooth, right? Letting this thing come up to as high as I can get it comfortably. Right in here somewhere. I'm gonna let this thing start falling through, not overbanking. There's 90, I'm gonna let this thing slice through. Let it dip back down gradually. Here's my 45 right here. I need to start shallowing out, right? Start pulling back as I come back up. Back to my 180-degree point. It is a little bit rough today. But,
that's fine.
Yeah. I think just a little bit smoother. You know, don't try and over control it.
Yeah.
Just be very smooth with the plane. Jeez, I'm getting bumped today. Just be real smooth with the plane the entire time. That's what makes it the easiest on yourself. If you're real smooth with it, you kind of just let this thing go, and then be consistent with how high you're pitching the aircraft. And how low you're pitching it. We want it to be the same amount of pitch, high and low.
Yeah.
And just be consistent with time. Let's go ahead and do a steep spiral.
Okay.
Holy shit.
I don't know what this guy's doing on frequency.
Eh.
You've got flight controls. I'm just trying
that close. Delta traffic, Charlie, 4876 Delta 5.
Start beeping at me.
Traffic, 11440.
We'll go ahead and recover once we get to our third pass.
Okay.
Yep, so about a heading of 330. Go ahead and recover.
So we'll use.
Object traffic, 11440, clear runway 22.
How about each? No. I was gonna say each end of the dirt strip, but that's too short, isn't it?
Yeah, but we could use that end of the dirt strip and a crossroads right out here, right?
Past the barns?
Yep.
Okay.
Or no, I'm sorry, on the closer side of the barns. We can use the end of this dirt strip and say this intersection between the browner field and the greener field.
Okay. Get down here, a little bit high.
Yeah, so we need to maneuver for that 45.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go ahead and turn for that 45. So here's our right point, right? So our left one should be, say, this intersection. Yeah.
Oh, the intersection right here?
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit low.
So we'll put that corner on the wingtip. It looks like it's pushing forward on us, right? It's moving forward. So we need to push.
That intersection right there?
This one right here.
The offset one?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I had it like almost in the middle of the wing. Alright, I'm getting ready to come out. Well, not yet.
Not yet. We can see our other point right now.
What was the other point again?
It's the end of the dirt strip.
Oh, the end of the dirt strip. Okay, yeah. This end?
Yeah. Yeah, so we're here, we should keep...
Oh, we gotta keep coming. Yeah, okay. Man, I was like, what? Gotta keep coming. Okay, alright.
So then we'll come wings level.
Yep.
And then here we're going to put this one on our wingtip, right?
Yep.
Yeah, and it was moving back on us, so we need to pitch back the aircraft. Pitch the aircraft back just a little bit. There we go. So we're keeping that on the wingtip, right out there.
My mind, I think, was trying to orient to the lines, like the road lines.
Yeah, we have to do it to our winds.
Kind of catty cornered though.
Farmer plowing his fields right now.
Huh?
There's a guy plowing his fields right now.
Oh. Like the damn feds are checking me out.
And then we're gonna roll wings level on the same 45 that we entered in on.
Yep.
And we'll exit the maneuver. Sweet. Yeah, so we can go ahead and circle back out upwind. We can pick some new points and run through it one more time.
Okay.
I know we were talking about it quite a bit there and everything like that, but we also want to enter in on a 45. We entered in kind of 90 degrees.
Go around.
Oh, was that 90 degrees?
Kind of.
Oh.
We were pretty much right on our downwind whenever we entered in.
Oh, shit. Alright. Oh, yeah. Alright, exiting 45. And then, yeah, that T intersection.
Alright.
Hotel for traffic, mall 54, Hotel Sierra, departing runway 22, left close traffic.
Left traffic, counter 62, Lima Tango, 10 miles northwest, maneuvering 7,000 left.
So we're getting blown out right now. We need right rudder to stay coordinated. And as we come into this headwind,
Yeah.
we should be pushing the nose down to catch up to our point. So There's our point. So now we're getting blown over the top of it, right?
Yep.
Traffic, Papa Wink, 196 Papa 4000.
Got a little bit low there too.
Well, no, that's fine. We want to change our altitude throughout the maneuver, right?
Yeah.
We're supposed to be changing our altitude.
Yeah, yeah. I thought it just equalized between sides. No, it doesn't.
There. So I'm flying left on the left side, right?
Yeah.
Of these 2 points. Now I'm going to turn in right here, and now I'm on a 45-degree entry angle, just like a 45 to the downwind, right? Right about now. Right about now I'm on a 45. So I'm flying into this line between these two fields right here, right?
Yeah.
But I'm flying in at about a 45-degree angle. Okay. Now here's my first point. This crossroads right here.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put the wing on that crossroads, and I'm going to keep it in the same spot on the wing throughout this whole maneuver, right?
Yeah.
So here I'm coming around, I've got it right there, right? I'm keeping a solid radius, and it's in the same spot this way on my wing. Back and fore and aft. Now, as I come into this headwind, I should have to start pushing the nose down to keep up with my point. See how it slid forward on the wing?
Yeah.
I'm going to push the nose down, right? And I've lost about 150 foot here, but now it's moving back on the wing. I've pitched too far forward, so I'm going to start pulling back just a little bit.
Yep.
Right? As I get into this tailwind, I'm going to start moving faster. I'm going to start pulling back on it to keep it in the same point on the wing. And here I am back at 900 foot where I started, right?
Yep, yep.
Because I've come full circle. Here I'm going to come, now I'm on a 45 for my other point, right?
Yep.
My other point's this end of the runway. I'm flying level here for 3 or 4 seconds. Flying level, all right.
And bam, drop into it.
Yep. Now here's my wing on my point, right?
Yep.
And sure enough, slowly, it's starting to move forward on my wing, right?
Yeah.
I've got to catch up to it. I've got to push this nose over. I am descending. I'm losing altitude right now. And that point is starting to move back on the wing.
Yep.
See it?
Yep.
See it moving back on the wing?
Yep.
I don't want it to move too far back, so I'm going to pull back just a little bit. I want to keep it in the same spot. I want to keep it from sliding forward or back. I want to keep it right in the middle of my wing. So, see how it'll move back on those rivets or it'll move forward on those rivets.
Yeah.
But this pitch is what controls it. If I pitch back too much, it's going to start moving backwards on the wing,
Way
right?
back,
See it?
Yeah.
Now watch me push forward. If I push this thing forward, it starts moving forward on the wing, right? So I'm going to keep that up, right? I'm going to keep it in the same spot on the wing.
Props, emergency.
What? Emergency.
I gotta keep remembering to use the damn 45s and the DG. They're there.
Yeah, it's just a tool in our tool bag, right?
Yep.
So we're going to put that point on the wingtip.
Final runway 22,
And we don't necessarily need to keep the wingtip on it, but we want to keep it,
in the same
spot on the wing,
Yeah.
We know it's going to start moving forward on us because we're moving into our upwind, right?
Yep.
So we should be pitching down to maintain that spot. Yeah. Not too much, though. It'll start sliding back on us. So we're adjusting. We're making adjustments the entire time. This is looking 10 times better.
Yeah, when you actually pick the right points, that are perpendicular. Yeah, because they didn't feel right. Compared to the ones that we'd done before, they just didn't feel right to me. I was like, why am I having such a hard time with this?
So here, starting to roll wings level. Now here's our second point, right? This crossroads right here.
Right here?
We're moving towards, yep, this crossroads right there.
Okay. This one?
It looks like it's moving back on our wing.
Yep.
Sure enough, we're in a downwind right now, so it probably is. But as we turn, the more we turn, it's going to start moving. We're going to start getting into an upwind, right? We're going to get a slower and slower ground speed. It will start moving forward on us. If we're not careful, and we don't want to bank too much. We don't want to get too over the top.
Somebody call for 4-3.
I did.
There we go.
What's up?
Did you hear somebody on the radio, like about 5 minutes ago, say emergency or something somewhere?
I did not. Negative.
5-7 heard that emergency.
Did you hear what it was? Because it kind of like cut out for me.
Negative. All we heard was emergency, and then it pretty much cut out for us as well. So yeah, we're pushing and pulling to keep it from sliding.
We'll be departing towards northwest, so we'll let you know if we see anything.
And then we can go ahead and head back in for power